Flavor with a Beat is brought to you by Grace Kennedy Belize Limited, bringing good taste to life.
And we are back, and this is another edition of Grace Flavor with a Beat. I am joined, of course, by Chef Nadia, who's back again.
Yes, I'm back again.
And you brought me a new sous chef?
Yes, a new one. His name is Rusney O'Brien, my nephew.
Okay. Hi, Rusney.
Hi.
Okay, how old are you?
10 years old.
And where do you go to school?
At United Presbyterian.
Okay. All right. So everybody, this will be the master chef in the making, right? You
Yes.
usually cook at home?
Yeah.
What do you normally cook?
Rice and beans with mommy.
You make rice and beans? Sure, you beat me. So what will you make today?
Today we are making bacon grill luncheon meat fried rice.
Oh, all right.
Yes.
Now,
So I'll be starting up by cutting up the luncheon meat. And then Rusney will be frying the vegetables.
okay, Rusney. So
Put the oil.
First, the oil.
tell me how it's done. How much you put?
Just a little bit, not much.
Leave it. Not oil.
All right, so we got some coconut oil in there.
Make it get hot.
You make it get hot? How you know when it's hot?
Because you
Kind of bubbling.
leave bubble it inside.
Okay, all right. Clearly you know your way around the kitchen.
The next, you will fry the
What do you?
veg.
Okay.
This the
Onion, sweet pepper, and celery.
onion, the sweet pepper, and
The celery. You cut that up too? Oh. All right, so we're going to fry up the vegetables. And we have Nadia over there who's cutting up the luncheon
Luncheon
meat. Now
meat.
tell us about this luncheon meat, because first you promised me bacon.
It's flavored bacon. It's our bacon grill flavored luncheon meat that we carry.
So that's one of the type of luncheon meat that you can have.
Yes, they also have the chicken flavor, pork, and chicken. We carry 4 different flavors of luncheon meat.
All right, so Rusney is putting in those vegetables now. We got some onion, some celery, some sweet pepper going in. And this is for the fried rice?
Yes.
Rusney, you make fried rice before? Well, if you could do rice and beans, you could definitely do fried rice. So the luncheon meat, you're going to cut that up too?
Yes.
And it tastes like bacon?
It has a little flavor of bacon because it's like grilled, so it tastes a little smoky. Yes.
What are some other uses that you found for that? It's perfect, I guess, for people who like fried and luncheon meat.
Yes.
So what else is it for?
You can use it for sandwiches. You could put it in. You can mash it up and even do stuffed jalapeno with it instead of using chicken.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
You just,
That would be good with that bacon flavor in the
yes,
middle.
it does substitute the chicken for the luncheon meat.
How the vegetables look, Rusney?
good.
So since you're home from school, you to cook a lot?
Not really.
No? Why, didn't cook for you?
Yes, mom.
And who teach you how to cook?
Mommy.
Mommy. How you know when you finish?
Because I got a little color.
Okay.
Okay, since the vegetables are already a little fried, we're going to take that out and then we're going to fry the luncheon meat now.
Okay. All right.
Okay.
So from fried vegetables now to the fried bacon
Bacon grill.
flavored luncheon meat.
So,
Now, this is a lovely smell in the morning.
I don't going to use all because it's a lot.
Yeah. Do you like luncheon meat?
Yes, ma'am.
How you normally eat it?
Cook, fry,
You eat it fried?
cook it too.
Yeah. And how you cook it?
Cut up just like this.
What's your favorite
so-
way to have it?
Just like this.
And then fry it on top.
No.
And what about you, Nady? What's your favorite way to have luncheon meat?
In sandwich.
In sandwich?
Yes.
How do you put it in your sandwich?
I normally mash it up and add salad cream and onion and sweet pepper in it.
There you go. That's my favorite way too. In a sandwich, you don't need anything else.
Yeah. Sometimes if you want to add more stuff, I just add probably a lettuce and tomato
Yeah.
to give it a little more boost to the sandwich.
Yeah.
But normally it's just the luncheon meat mixed with salad cream, onion and sweet pepper.
That's right. All right, so we got the luncheon meat frying. We got the vegetables that are finished frying as well. I see some eggs over here. This is for the rice as
Yes.
well. So who came up with this recipe? Auntie tell you? She tell you what to do this morning? So, of course, this is one of the things I know that Grace is encouraging in being able to get people to get in the kitchen along with the kids.
Kids, yes. Because they're at home. Yes, they have school, but then at the same time, you want them to find ways in making little snacks for themselves. Because not much of us are at home while we're with their children.
Yeah.
Some of them are at home alone, probably a babysitter, or even a tutor. So if they are getting hungry and are at home, they can either make their little sandwich, a little snack for themselves, you know.
Yeah. I know that that's one of the things that a lot of parents talk about, that the kids want to eat all day long.
Yes.
Is that the case with you, Rusty? Or you stick to breakfast and lunch?
All day.
All day. Thank you for your honesty. That sounds delicious.
Since they're at home, they're more active at home and they get hungry more. So sometimes we have to have a lot of snacks for them for the week.
Yeah.
Okay, since the luncheon meat is a bit fried, we're gonna add back the vegetables. Spoon it out.
Let's go, chef.
Then we're gonna add the rice.
Oh, it's gonna look so colorful too with that purple onion.
Spoon out some. We're gonna add the eggs.
I'll do it. I'll hold up.
Spoon it
Put
out.
it in. And this is just simple scrambled eggs that's fried up, right?
Yes. Then if you want more vegetables, you can add some mixed veg. And some corn.
So you're getting
Then-
some fresh veg, you're getting some of the mixed vegetables in there, you get that egg.
Then to give it the color and taste, you just add soy sauce. Here we have the Grace soy sauce.
Not afraid, Rusty. Mix it up.
Way from the bottom there.
And it's as easy as that.
Easy as that. Doesn't take long.
So instead
Then the
of,
rice, you just pre-cook the rice. Has it ready, and then afterwards you just start adding everything together.
so starting off once again, all we did was cut up the vegetables. We had some
Onions, sweet pepper, celery, and then we also had mixed vegetables, corn, eggs, and the rice. Then our meat that we choose is the luncheon meat.
delicious. Look at that. You like fried rice?
Yes, Mom.
And that's
Okay,
it.
let me help
That's
you.
it's as simple as that. I know.
As simple as that.
So you want to get all the rice brown.
All. So it has taste.
You didn't add any salt, any spices.
The rice is already made with salt, so you don't really need much salt in it. Then if you use chicken, then you season your chicken to flavor how you would like.
Yeah.
Also, so it also doesn't need to add salt or anything at the end.
Yeah. And the luncheon meat already has its own salt.
Salt. Okay.
Ooh, as well as the soy sauce.
Yes.
Oh, that looks so good.
And that's
Fried
about
rice for
it.
breakfast? Look at that. It's really good when you use the purple onions because it just gives it a pretty color.
It pops.
Yeah.
And there we go.
That is our Grace bacon fried rice. All right, let me just try. We don't have a fork. Okay. I'm going to try one piece of the luncheon meat and I'll tell you if it really tastes like bacon, right? Yes, you do. Nice, smoky bacon flavor. Delicious. I'm sure this is going to be great. Something easy to try at home along with the children. As we see, Rusty mastered that one easily. You can make this now, Rusty? Okay, who are we going to say good morning to, Rusty?
My mom.
All right, look right over here or look straight ahead, yeah?
My mom, my dad, and my friends and family.
Okay, who mommy and daddy name?
Sherry Daniel and Brandon Baptist.
Thank you so much for being our sous chef today.
Also, I would like to give thanks for the opportunity. I'd like to thank Miss Melanie for giving me the opportunity to be on the show. And also, I would like to say happy birthday to my mom.
Ah!
Today is her birthday.
What's her name?
Miss Clementina Aguilar.
Miss Clementina, happy birthday to you. It's a pity it's not John. He come and sing, right?
Yes. I'm just for a new experience.
Well, thank you so much. And we love the idea of cooking along with the kids. Rusnik can do it, and he already knows a thing or two. But of course, something this easy, you can have them, whether it's cooking it up or whether mixing it, but get them involved. They're at home, so might as well they learn.
Yes.
Thank you so much, guys, for this lovely recipe. That's it for us for another edition of Flavor.
With the beef.
And now you punta.
Flavor with a Beat was brought to you by Grace Canada Belize Limited, bringing good taste to life.